Welcome back. We've got KJ Ashley in studio with us this morning, here to tell us about an upcoming community block party in Pittsburgh. And this isn't the first time you've done this.
No, this is the second annual summertime kickoff, and we're real excited because we have a few people on board that wasn't here last year with us. So we have Eagle Beverage from my friend Steve from Eagle Beverage. He's up here helping us out. My GM from Buffalo Wild Wings, Chris Naring. He's doing a lot of good stuff for us. So,
which having the sponsors behind you is huge, because last year it was just a group of dads that
me, Michael,
put it together.
Michael, Dion, and Willie and myself. So this year it's a lot easier because we got a lot more help though. So we're really appreciative for that.
So let's talk details. When and where can you go, and who's allowed to participate?
It's for everybody in the surrounding areas who can make it. It's at Schlanger Park this Sunday at from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. We have to change the time just due to heat, so it'll be a lot cooler at nighttime. So from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. this Sunday at Schlanger Park.
All right, so Sunday late afternoon, and you guys are going to have food. You're going to have
the bouncy houses for the kids. We're going to get Jolly Trolley to come and give out free snow cones, and we want to do some face painting for the kids that wants to do that. And then the splash pad is also be available, so people can be warm. The kids will be warm. I mean, cool and stuff like that. So it's going to be. We're hoping for a bigger turnout than last year. Last year was pretty big, so we're hoping for a big turnout this year.
How many kids do you think will?
Hopefully hundreds.
Hundreds, yeah. Yeah, I know you had a lot last year, and you guys were cooking for all of them yourself.
Yeah.
This year you've got meat provided actually by Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings, they're giving us hamburgers, they're giving us chicken, they're giving us buns and hot dog buns and hamburger buns and stuff like that. So we're really appreciate it. Thank you, Chris, man. You're the best.
Do you guys still need anything?
Not really. We're pretty much got it. We're been communicating with each other, even though we all work and stuff. So we still been keeping in communication with each other. So we all got our own little list to get. So,
and why did you guys decide to start doing this last year and continue doing it?
We want to do this every year. It's gonna be like a Pittsburgh holiday, so to speak. So it's just something that we just want to do for our community. I mean, our kids they live here, they grow up here, they go to school here. So it's just something fun for the kids, and it's just something that we thought would be awesome. So.
Well, KJ, thanks for coming in this morning and sharing this. So again, from 4 to 8 on Sunday at Pittsburgh's Schlanger Park, that's where the party's at. Bring the whole family. We'll be right back.